we going to get into today? Well, today we are making an idea that Kevin had, and he also joined us today to help us out with this. We're going to make a moonshine. It is going to be white chocolate strawberry moonshine. And that, to me, I thought that sounded fantastic. So we're actually going to make 3 batches of it because we got some people that want some.
Mostly me.
Mostly him. So, very easy to do, but first things first. Welcome to Still Works in Brewing. My name is Randy, and this is a channel that's all about
home distillation and brewing?
Yes, it could be. Hey, we're just here to have fun. Okay, so what's first? All right, well, we can do this in any order. We can go ahead and mix this up first.
We could.
And then we'll get the strawberry ready for it, okay?
All right.
So, what you need is, this is 20 proof. I always mess that up. 20 ABV moonshine. All right, and what you want is 1 box of the Jello white chocolate pudding mix, and we want 1 in each jar.
I like the very scientific method of, just dump it in.
Yeah, well, that's what it is. You just dump 1 whole box into each jar. Put the lid back on it.
Yeah, please remember that step.
Yeah, that'd be a good step to remember.
Let's go ahead and shake it without the lid. Watch it go everywhere.
And you just gotta shake the hell out of it.
I'll guess if it looks like milk, you did it right.
I think so. No, it looks like white chocolate.
I don't think chocolate moves that much.
Okay, and once you put it in the refrigerator, it will thicken up some.
True.
So, because you don't want it too thick, but it will give it a nice texture. All right, so what we need to do now is we figured, well, we need to make about a cup or so of like a strawberry. Why don't you go ahead and get them cut up?
Sure.
And just cut the tops off and then throw them in that measuring cup there.
You want them quartered or halved?
It just don't matter. We're going to chew them all up with a blender.
Fair enough.
The strawberries were in the refrigerator and I had to put a label on them. Nobody eat them, right? Didn't I?
It was my fault.
Well, I have to say this is one of the easiest moonshines to make.
Yeah? I'm a big fan of the crock pot method. Just chuck it all in a pot and be done with it.
How much you got there?
Almost what we need.
All right. I don't guess you could have a little bit too much strawberry.
That would really hurt my feelings.
A couple more.
Yeah, why not? Doing what I can so you don't have to take me to get more stitches.
No more stitches. All right, that should be good. I was just going to throw a little bit of sugar in there with the strawberries. Just maybe just a tablespoon, maybe.
A tablespoon?
That's good. All right. We'll put them over. Yeah, you put them back here. Get this out of our way. All right, why don't we take a blender there and let's chew these up.
That's all you. I ain't doing all the work. Come on now.
Yeah, you want me to make the mess?
That's right.
What if I turn the switch on?
Yeah, it might help.
This thing does do a nice job.
Yeah. Got all the big hunks.
I don't think some hunks is going to hurt.
Some hunks, nah.
That looks pretty good, don't you think?
Yeah, that looks good to me.
All right. You just set that part in the sink. There we go. And we said, I'm always such good at making messes.
Well, you made less than I would have. It's still mostly a blue counter. Where's your trash? Nah, I'll throw it away later.
Just put it on there. Take that lid off. And
You said third cup?
yep, that's what I'm thinking. Here's a third cup measure. So we're gonna put 1/3 cup. I better use a phone.
You don't trust yourself?
No,
That's
I don't.
I don't trust myself either.
we're gonna put 1/3 in each jar.
Yeah. Lose the rest of that in each one.
Okay. You just put that in here.
There you go.
And we're just gonna give that a nice little shake. This will have something to put on the bottom of this. Might not be the best looking color in the world, but
I don't think it's terrible.
and then what we're gonna do,
That one needs a little bit more love. It's got some chunks in the bottom. It'll work out.
yes.
There we go.
All right. And we're just gonna top it off with a little bit of French vanilla coffee creamer.
There we go. And really crank that lid on as hard as you can. That way you can't get it open again.
There's a couple glasses right up there behind you, right by the paper towels. Okay. Let's give it a try.
Yeah, the lid wants to work with me.
It'd be a whole lot better cold.
Oh, well, yeah.
I do like the strawberry hunks in it.
Yeah, more of a pulp guy yourself?
I just think it looks nice.
It smells good.
It does smell good. Ooh.
Uh-huh.
Got a nice little burn to it. Not terrible burn.
Not much of one. And you can tell it's there.
You can tell it's there, but you sure can taste the strawberry, and I taste the chocolate.
Uh-huh. I think that coffee cream is a good idea.
Yes. Okay. I think once you put it in the refrigerator and get a good ice cold,
Oh,
and even
absolutely.
serve it on ice, it'd be out of this world.
Garnish it with a strawberry. Be fancy.
That's good. Okay.
Gonna hide that in the top shelf. Make sure nobody gets to it, or it's gonna be gone in a day.
Yeah, it won't last long. But, oh, that is very good. All right. Well, that is our White Chocolate Strawberry Moonshine. Okay.
Quick and easy.
Quick and easy. I guess the last thing I got to say is, hey, thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you next time here on Still Works and Brewing. Cheers, everybody. That's going to be good.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Woohoo! Okay, I just wanted to step back in here. There is one more step that I did that we didn't include on this video, and I think it makes the product a whole bunch better. We did find with mashing up the strawberries and chewing them up that there was fiber in the strawberry. It didn't taste bad. It tasted delicious, but it was just like had a little bit of chunkiness into it. So what me and Kevin did is we took a funnel and a fine screen strainer, and we strained our White Chocolate Strawberry Moonshine through the strainer back into a clean jar, and it made it fantastic. It is nice and creamy and smooth and very, very delicious. But like I said before, it's not going to last long. Not long at all. Okay, so I just wanted to let you know that, and hey, enjoy it. All right, we'll see you next time.